Tenant and resident satisfaction is always the top priority for property management companies. So when it comes to ensuring that their buildings are properly cared for to enhance their resident and tenant satisfaction and experience, many top real estate firms choose iRestify. iRestify provides property managers with the talent, resources, and technology to improve their building maintenance and cleaning processes. Our approach focuses on solving the daily maintenance and janitorial issues that the property management industry is facing today so that property managers can focus their attention on their resident, tenant, and visitor satisfaction. Together, this allows property managers to monitor every aspect of their building maintenance and cleaning right from any device. With iRestify, there's no need to spend time managing vendors or walking the property to verify cleanliness or if a task was completed. Our technology and team of service experts will handle that, which ultimately saves the company money and time.